Hi, I'm Andzelika and we live in London near Ealing, and it's our hot tub. It's the hot tub called EveRest hot tub, and it's very big. Hi, it's very big for it just fits 7 people. Sometimes can fit more, maybe 10 kids. They having party, like Anthony's having party with his friends. The hot tub is great for winter and summertime. We recommend it, highly recommend it. You can relax, you can have a party, you can just have a party with friends and Prosecco, nice Prosecco. It's lovely, we love it.